Welcome to Boost Free Channel. Please subscribe. Cosmetic surgery, like other forms of elective surgery, involves a physical change to one's appearance. Also known as plastic surgery, there are two kinds: cosmetic and reconstruction. The latter involves returning an individual's sense of self after some form of injury and/or illness. The former allows the ability to overcome the physical characteristics one was born with. In a way, the former represents the forefront of how changes in technology can allow changes to the human body. This surgery comes in all types, from the use of prosthetics as in breast augmentation and liposuction to non-invasive forms of surgery like laser hair removal or even laser correction of the eyes to eliminate the need for eyeglasses. None of this comes without a price, however. Besides financial concerns, it remains the responsibility of the individual who will undergo such surgery. For this reason, they do need the support of those around them. This is the kind of support that not only affects their decision, but their ability to assimilate the surgical changes to the body. In the case of surgery for cosmetic, as opposed to reconstruction, purposes is the issue of aesthetics. Those around them need to understand the significance societies place upon appearance. How the appearance of someone can alter how they are perceived not only as a person, but as a human being. Surgery for aesthetic reasons provides people with the opportunity to overcome stigmas associated with their appearance. However, what remains most important is that it's a choice. Many, perfectly valid, arguments have been presented to the contrary regarding surgery for cosmetic purposes. However, the fact remains that human beings have been altering their appearance for quite some time now. Cosmetic surgery is significant, not only for what it can achieve, but because it's a choice made by the person undergoing it. It's a personal decision about one's own body. Another consideration for the individual, outside of their support system, is that they should do as much of their own personal research as possible into the different kinds of surgery available for each procedure. For example, the current surgical techniques employed and the potential legal restrictions, as is often the case with silicone prosthetics. In addition, weighing the pros and cons of each technique. Finally, the surgeon themselves. An initial consultation is always recommended, as with any form of elective surgery. Thank you for watching my videos.